and then spatial audio is like dum dum. Hi guys, my name is Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel in 2021, and to start off the new year I will be unboxing the Airpods Max. They have arrived after a month of waiting, so let me open up this brown box and get to my precious headphones. Oh, how big is this box? I have picked the green color, and I love how they also show the case at the back. Can't wait to try them on. It's hard doing it like holding it with two hands, but oh, it's so soft. Oh my god, they are heavy. This is how the box looks like, and I don't think they have any stickers in here.
A few moments later.
No, they actually don't have any sticker, which is a bit disappointing. I wanted like a green minty sticker, and you do get the charging cable as well. I was quite surprised, like, why is it grey? But then I realized this is covered with paper. So wow, as you know, they come in a case already, so it's nice. So it's kind of made of like a silicone material on the outside, and then on the inside we have like a little mesh in here. So this is cute and weird at the same time, because the headphones are not protected, and you know, it's kind of like they wanted you to show it off. But there are minuses to it. Obviously it doesn't protect your headphones that much. They're basically there, I guess, not to get any scratches. The headband is not protected at all. It's also white, so I'm interested to see if this is gonna catch any dust. And also you can't fold the headphones in half like you can do with the Beats, so it does take a lot more storage. Let me take them out of the case. When taking it out the case, they do tend to like clash a little bit on the sides. This is kind of like stressing me out. Let's take these off. Whew. These are the softest headphones I have touched. They are made of like a memory foam. Can I take them out? Oh my god, you can take it out so easily, but they do feel really premium, so you get to twist it for the outside. Oh yeah, so you can slide the sides. I didn't expect, I thought it would be like clicky when you kind of move those headphones to adjust the size. So let's try these different adjustments for my head, as I do have a little pea head, so ooh. They do move quite a little bit. I can't hear much when I'm talking. So the headband has such nice material. I can't stop touching it. It reminds me of like office chairs. There's also the right and left like embedded into the material, so you can see which ear cups go to where. And you can already tell that they won't make your ears sweat as much. You do get the digital crown on the side. It is a lot bigger than I expected. And no, this is actually not the button to turn off the headphones. So this is for the transparency mode. You get noise cancellation. So there is no power button on these headphones, only when you put it back in the case. These feel a lot more comfortable. They're not squishing. The headband is not like squishing my head in. The weight is only kind of the negative aspect I have about these headphones. And so the headphones do have H1 chips in them, just like the AirPods Pro. But let me just pair up the headphones with my phone so we get to try out the different sounds. So we are going to try the different spatial audio. Oh, it made the little da-dum. So this is the stereo. Okay, so I got the stereo audio. It's like dum dum dum. Spatial audio. And then spatial audio is like dum dum. It's like bass and everything. So it's got noise cancellation on, transparency. What? I can hear myself speak like properly, as if I was like talking on a microphone. I'm literally, so the transparency mode is basically when I can hear everything around me. Siri, open Spotify. I love how I can hear myself properly when I'm listening to music. What? That's crazy. Okay, and then I'm gonna change. So I'm gonna do noise cancelling now. Yeah, I can't hear myself now. Okay, so I'm on Disney Plus now. I'm just gonna pick something to watch to see the cinematic experience. Oh my god, it's working. So
I won't give you that.
When I tilt my head, it's like coming from.
How many lives is the knowledge you possess worth?
It's actually making me want to tear up. What? The sound just moves wherever I move my head. It's so crazy. I'm just gonna take these off because wow. So the spatial audio when watching was amazing. I can't even describe how it feels. It feels like you are there. The volume and everything is just so defined, so crisp. Like I just, oh my gosh. It's like, yeah, they are expensive, but at least try these and then tell me that they're not worth it. I literally didn't have these on for long and my ears, like my head already started to feel a bit heavy. So another thing as well, the sound does come out of the headphones a little bit when playing it too loud, but that won't be an issue for me as I don't really have my headphones on that loud. And on top of that, the headphones have 9 microphones, so literally when you are making calls and everything else, it's just you're gonna just sound so clear. Hello? Can you hear any difference? Oh, nothing different. Alright, so the phone call wasn't that different, but I guess I am inside, so it did feel a bit echoey on the phone. But maybe if I was outside, it would sound a lot different, so I do want to include that in my review as well later on. So my overall thoughts on the Airpods Max are... Oh, there's a hair. First of all, I cannot wait to go outside and test out the noise cancelling. I'll be using these for a few days and giving you a bit of a review and see for myself if they are really worth keeping for a girl like me that doesn't use it for a professional need. So if you do want to see the upcoming videos on the Airpods Max, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.